Rocket Pool (RPL) is one of the most innovative decentralized staking protocols in the Ethereum ecosystem. Normally, becoming a validator on Ethereum requires 32 ETH, something that's out of reach for most people. Rocket Pool solves this by letting anyone stake as little as 0.01 ETH and still earn rewards. In return, you receive a token called rETH, which automatically increases in value as staking rewards accumulate, so you stay liquid while earning. For the more technical users, there's another option. You can run your own node with just 16 ETH. By adding RPL tokens as collateral, you not only secure the network, but also earn extra commissions and RPL rewards. This model allows both individual stakers and large players like Gemini to participate side by side in a decentralized way. What makes Rocket Pool unique is its trust-minimized, open-source, and fully audited smart contract system. A built-in insurance mechanism powered by RPL collateral protects against penalties or malicious nodes. Launched in 2016 by David Rugendijk, Rocket Pool has grown into one of the most talked-about solutions for Ethereum staking. The RPL token, an ERC20, follows an inflationary model designed to reward node operators, Oracle providers, and fund future development, ensuring the protocol remains decentralized and secure. In short, Rocket Pool makes ETH staking simple, liquid, and accessible for everyone, while preserving decentralization. Comment: if you want to run your own validator without locking 32 ETH, this is a huge opportunity. And if you just want passive income, simply stake your ETH, receive rETH, and watch your rewards grow. Rocket Pool is making ETH staking more open and democratic than ever before.